can tell you what. Let's do this right now live. We got that 616 here. Let's bring it up for the MMT. Here we go, MMT. Let's bring up that Apple short. And as I was showing, one of our newest individuals is that we were up here and you could see where the rally was off of that bottom, but you had to sell that $6 up. And I have a live video that I just put out a moment ago that we were selling $6 up right up here because, yeah, that was the first area. Yes, it went a little bit higher over here, but look at the short sell right back down to that half bottom breakout live at, it broke it. You can see it clearly right here. It broke through it. All of it. So let's make sure that this thing is updating correctly because that was a huge, huge move down in that bid and ask, and they just popped it. I got it right here in the chart. Here in the platform. Here's the mini brain down here. You can see that the ratio is at 68. You can see that the current trend ratio is -7. It was almost a half a delta down there, but you can see where that reversal happened at the diamond half bar. And you can clearly see where when you start closing pennies below the previous half bar at that closing level, then that means that there's been a change in the price movement, and you slide these teeny mathematical high frequency scripts down, 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny right here to the floor. But when you take a look up here at this teeny reversal in our system, they run 3, 5, 7 teeny reversals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 right to the penny. He undercuts it, but that's that teeny line support that you want to measure. He got to 6. He could have went to 7, but he didn't, and he's at 5. So 3, 5. He never hit the 17 reversal, but that's where that diamond is changing, and you can see up here how to short that reversal. Intraday 10:26 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. 3/28/2012, live entry, live exits, live trading ranges. Mario did a special and he said, hey, look, starting April 1, that the market adjustment to bear and bull would get more balance rather than just being the heavier side of the bull as it's been, that you would have some of those top reversals in there for those debit profits as you see happening here. And the range from support levels are only going 1, 2, and working back up the 3 teeny range in the script from the bottom up. And once you get that bottom up, once again, it's that diamond reversal. And we're range bound. And we talked about selling the short high trend every day. But the price volatility in the broader marketplace now would pick up. That means that bull side's still going to have great $6 moves off the bottom, but then the higher end is that you're going to see that top bear pullback intraday reversal increase in the price ratio ranges that we use in our high pricing frequency model scripts that are done in the ECN buy and sell scripts. Now, we do take you through that road, and it also applies to the option pit. So, yes, starting April 1 on the very first day, you will start to see more of a balance in the debit ratio structure. Long debits will be very powerful off of the support line. The short debit top reversals, depending on the extension inside of the overbought range line, and our platform will tell us what those delta resistances are. So if I'm up 1.5 delta and I pull back a delta to half delta and then I get net long, that's what that market maker platform is about. And that's what's happening right now off of the short-term bottom. Once again, I said 3 teenies. Here it is. 1, 2, 3. Right here. And once again, it is that accurate. And we can clearly see right here, MMT, that intraday entry right after the lunch hour. Look at here. Look at the short right there. Bam! But look at right here. That's that ascending diamond 3 teeny script right to that teeny line. He's breaking through it. That's that reversal entry. That's the short. That's the long. And this is how bull trends should return to their normal price directional movements on both long debit, short debit for the next 90-day period. And that as we go through April, May, and the full month calendar of June, you will see how the first phases of bull runs, whether they're created high frequency or none, that at these point levels of resistances where we're currently at the higher end of the bull range, is you will see the debit volatility price increase. It's an update at 10:29 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 3/28/2012. What is the title? The title is How to Get Net Short and How to Get Long, but so what? It's also about what the markets are going to do about the long debits and the short debits within the bull. And the bull is going to have more of this, reversals, and then you go up, but you're selling into the resistance levels again.